Hey guys, this is Ghost57 coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, in today's video, it's going to be a pretty quick one. I'm going to show you how to replace a broken screen on a iMAC 2011-2012. This is the A1312. Stay tuned guys and I'll show you how to do that. And here are the tools we're going to be using today. You can pretty much get any type of suction cups, but I'm going to link some down below in my description. I do get a little bit of a kickback from anything you buy off my Amazon links. This one right here is the old school iFixit one with a nice grab handle. A little more expensive, but this will last you forever. And here is a cheaper one with a little bit of like a keychain hook holder to it. But primarily you just need two suction devices to pull the screen off. This one is not glued down, believe it or not. It's actually held on with magnets. So I'm going to show you how to pull it off and put a new one in less than a minute. Let's jump right into it, boys. Okay, so now that we have it pretty much laying on its back, we're going to grab our suction cups and just put one on each side of your screen. This one is a 27-inch one. So it's pretty big, and the cool thing about these old school ones is you can connect it with a Thunderbolt cable to like a USB adapter, and you can actually use it as a monitor with your MacBooks. So we can bring some more life into it. Really great speakers down below. So might as well fix it, make it a little bit more pretty. So now that you have it connected, you're just gonna pull up on your little tabs, and just like that, you're gonna pull it all the way up and out. And as easy as that, you have your glass off. And I'm gonna go ahead and move the Mac away so I can show you how this actually holds on to your MacBook or your iMac. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that looks now. Ooh, and you can see right there, I barely touched it and it was completely fully cracked already. So keep in mind you're working with glass, so be careful, you might want to wear some gloves. But right here are the little bezels, little hinges at the end, and that's why you want to pull up on the top and not at the bottom, because again, you don't want more glass or issues with that. But there's some magnets right here on your iMac that actually correspond to all the metal in here. That makes it a really easy fix it yourself type of job. This one might have been replaced already. I do see some writing here. I don't think this is from the factory from Apple. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and pop the new one in. Now's a good time. You have like any type of blow tools to go ahead and just blow it off a little bit here. This one's not having any mechanical issues, so I'm not gonna take the whole screen off. I'm just gonna take the glass off because that's the only issues I'm having with, troubles with. So let's go ahead and get the new one after we blow it off, and we'll jump right into replacing this bad boy. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and blow it off a little bit. And here's a little blow tool I'm using today. Got this one off of Amazon. It has a nice little dust filter here, so it's good to use with computers and such. And it's pretty small, so you can pretty much take it with you wherever you go. If you want this, it's down below in the links as well. So let's go ahead and blow off the screen. There is a little bit of dust residue here. Very nice. I did see a little bit of dust there, so instead of wiping it off, you can never kind of get the same factory look when you wipe it off. And there's this dust, so blew it off, pretty much brand new. Let's go ahead and put the glass on there, turn it on, and make sure it's up and running. But just like that, pretty much, we're almost done, guys. So let's grab that glass now. And here's our new glass straight from eBay with no writing on this one, so interesting. But we're gonna go ahead and put our little bezels in first, and then the screen in next. So this one does look like it has a little clear plastic over the top part, so you're okay to touch it. So we're just gonna line this up like so. Now that it's lined up, we can go ahead and pull our plastic off. Be kind of gentle with it. The front does have a plastic over here, so don't be too afraid to touch the front, which is nice. And just gently lean it back down as you make sure your bezels are staying in place, like so. Everything is nice and lined up. Brand new. Let's go ahead and flip it up and turn it on. So we're gonna go ahead and do the pill. And this one actually looks like it has some plastic behind the screen as well. So let's go ahead and take that off now. Okay guys, and there you have it. Keep in mind, this one did have extra kind of protective, scratch protective covering over the top portion of the screen and actually behind the screen, which was kind of shocking to me, but that's good that they actually did that. So I actually had to take the screen back off and remove that. So just keep in mind, if you do have any type of screen protecting deals, just go ahead and take it off before you put that on there. But we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how nice this screen looks with a brand new glass, which is always a nice thing. Especially if you're reselling these things, probably nobody wants a computer with a broken screen, broken glass. And there you have it guys, brand new, and you fixed it yourself. So if you had any benefits from this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ghost57 out. Y'all have a great day, guys. Bye-bye for now.